Hello everybody, it is me, Vincent, and today we are chilling at Blizzard Beach because it's my birthday! So we came here to Disney's only open water park to have some fun, jump in the water, ride some slides, and have an overall good time. So welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Wachow! Hello everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. We're back at Blizzard Beach. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been a very long time, but I am here on my birthday week. I am super excited. The day that I'm actually filming this Blizzard Beach video is not the actual day of my birthday. My birthday is April 10th, but we're here because it's the free time I got and we wanted to come here and celebrate. I say we because Ellison is here as well. She's over by our chair. We got our little sweet spot right in this sweet little corner over here. Say hi, Ellison. Hello. It's also Ellison's birthday as well. Hers was at the beginning of the week and mine's at the end of the week. So it's kind of like both of our birthday adventures. Yeah, our birthday middle ground. So today's video is not gonna be super informational. We just wanna like hang out here at Blizzard Beach, have a good time, lounge around, ride some slides, and you pick up whatever information you can from our fun time. I think the only piece of advice that we will give out for sure is that you gotta get here early. Be here early. Blizzard Beach opens at 11 o'clock, and I will tell you, everyone's gonna be here at 11 o'clock. So get here at like 10 o'clock. That's, I feel like, the only way we were able to secure a seat. Ellison's getting ready to tan, but I'm gonna start ranting. We were supposed to actually do this video last week, but we got here like 11:45, 45 minutes after the park had officially opened, and seriously, like every single seat was taken. Like every single seat. Even like these little like chairs like this, there weren't anything, nothing at all. And you know, we kind of just want to sit around and, you know, tan and stuff like that. So we actually like went to guest relations and we're like, hey, can we just get tickets back to come back another day? And they were actually really kind and really helpful, and they helped us out. So we're here now. We got here early, and that's kind of what you got to do. So get here early, and once you're here, have fun. We got this fun little corner seat right over here. We're kind of like right by the Summit Plummet. The Skylift is right behind us, which is what you use to get to all of the rides up at the top of the mountain. So we're at a pretty decent spot, and we're also near like the smaller kids area, which we don't really mind, but like this is good if you have kids. If you're hanging out in this area, there's a whole play area just for them over there. So this is not a bad spot. We're excited to be here. The weather's great. It's gonna be a good time. Excuse me? Are you having a good time, Blizzard Beach? Excuse me? Hello? Hello, Ellison, I'm talking to you.
No.
Oh, well. Oh, I got cinnamon in my eye. All right, it is time to hit some slides. Ellison is tanning today, but I'm sliding. So I'll see you guys on GoPro Vision. Bye-bye. Wachow. Something that's a little different than somewhere like Volcano Bay is that you actually need to have a mask if you want to go inside the restroom. I was gonna go to the bathroom right before I jumped into the lazy river, but they have actually cast members at the front of each restroom giving out masks that you can use, so you can actually go to the bathroom, which is nice because I thought I'd have to hold it in or worse. right, we have made it back to home base. How was the tan, Ellison?
It's great.
I know it sounds silly, but it is pretty busy in the park today. Like, we went up to the top over there and I saw lines for a lot of stuff. But we're gonna use this time of day. It's kind of midday right now. The sun is just right. We're gonna use this time to get our tan on. So we'll see you guys in a bit. I went and took the chairlift to the top of the mountain so I can take some YouTube thumbnails. But now, since I've got my actual camera, I've got to walk down the steps to get back to where we were. The park itself is pretty busy. It's not awful, but it is busy. Like, you know, you are waiting a little bit. Every other time that I've gone here to Blizzard Beach, I've been able to show up later in the day and like pretty much walk onto everything. And I'm definitely feeling the crowds of like coming here for the first time during the time that everyone actually wants to be at a water park. But it's not a bad time. I have a mobile order for some food. I'm gonna eat those nachos and then head back up and do some more slides. Summit Plummet doesn't seem to have a wait right now. It kind of ebbs and flows where there's like no one in line for a slide and then there's like a bunch of people in line for a slide, but I think that'll kind of work out. I'm gonna try to knock out some more slides before we start getting ready to get on out of here. All right, check it out. These are nachos. They're just nachos, that's all I got. And now, back to the slides. Chairlift always has a little bit of a line, so it's kind of just easier to walk up the mountain. Let's go. That was awesome. This type of slide I enjoy. I enjoy this slide. All right, goodbye to our little corner over here. This is actually a really good spot. We use these edges here to like put our cups and stuff like that. Oh, that's my hydro flask. Ooh, my little Buc-ee's sticker there. I did the sliding. Ellison did the tanning today.
Oh, yes.
And as you requested, your cherries.
Oh, I can't believe I did that.
Anything is possible. I feel like I should do a little merchandise update since I don't really do those in those videos, but there are lots and lots of sandals you can get here at Blizzard Beach, including these Disney ones with princesses and villains. There's also some really cool sun shirts right over here for adults and kids and cute little Nemo pails. Well, that's our show, folks. We had a fun little dip here in the Blizzard Beach. We got here right at 10 and we stayed here till about, we're leaving now at, we checked
4:30.
We checked our fake watches. Yeah, like about 4:30. So it's a pretty full day. The park seemed really busy at first, and like last time we were here, we thought it was
chaotic.
Chaotic. Getting in early really helped. we got our seats and we had a good spot, and I think we were able to enjoy the park a lot more because of that. The lines for the slides weren't really that long. Everything was like about 15 minutes or less, which is pretty great considering I guess technically we're still in spring break. So it was a great time, and we hope you guys had fun hanging out with us. So that is all we got. So hey, thank you guys for watching Vincent Vision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of our videos, and happy birthday to me.
Amy.
Happy birthday to Ellison. Happy birthday to you guys, whenever your birthday is. And we're going to get on out of here now. So see you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See ya.